So everyone knows it's Christmas time. That's why guys today I came back with not one, not two, but three different Arduino projects. Okay guys, so in this video we're gonna make three different Arduino projects using Arduino and Python. So this video is gonna really be helpful to the beginners who are starting with Arduino and also some creative people who try to interface Arduino with the Python. Okay guys, so without any further delay, hey guys, Saurabh here. Welcome back to my channel called Electrocode. So let's just jump right into our first project. To control an individual LED of an 8-bit RGB module using a numpad with the help of Arduino and Python. So let's get right into it. So at first we're gonna test our 8-bit RGB module and we're gonna control it with the help of Arduino and Python. So we're gonna control each of these LED. So there are 8 different LEDs. So we're gonna control each of them individually with the help of the numpad keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of our keyboard. Okay. So let me tell you the circuit connection first. So here you can see there is a 5 volt and a ground pin. So you're gonna connect these two with the Arduino 5 volt and ground, and you can choose any of the digital pin, either it is D0 or D1 connected with your Arduino digital pin. Here I am taking the Arduino digital pin number 6. Okay, in your case it will be anything. Okay, so you can change it in the Arduino code also, right? So our circuit connection is done. So let's upload the code to the Arduino and make it run. So this is the Arduino code that you're going to use to control the 8-bit RGB module. The basic idea of this code is to take the signals, input signal from through serial communication from the Python code, and we're going to send the signal to the RGB LED module or the Arduino and make that individual LED assigned with a particular number to turn on. Okay, so this is what this code does. The link of the Arduino code and the Python code plus the circuit diagram is in the description. So this is the Python code which take the input from the numpad and send this data through serial communication to the Arduino and make the project run. Okay, so let's run our Python code and test our project. So here you can see we can control each of the LED individually through our numpad. Also, here you can see the data has been sent while pressing the key of the numpad through the Python code to the Arduino. So our first Python Arduino project is done. Now let's jump to the second one. So in our second test, we're gonna control a DC motor using our numpad using Python and Arduino. So let's get right into it. So if you don't have a L9110 DC motor, okay, or a fan module like this, and you want to control a normal DC motor, then you have to use a motor driver, L293D motor driver, to control the DC motor with the same code and same circuit diagram. Okay, so no need to panic about that. Okay, so let's connect this to our circuit, to our Arduino, and upload the code and run our project. Okay, let's do this. So the circuit connection is done for this second part. So let me explain the circuit connection to you. The 5 volt of the DC fan module is connected to the Arduino 5 volt and the negative part is connected to the negative pin of the Arduino. Also, the DC fan module has two more pins like your ion 1 and ion 2 right here, and those are connected. The ion 1 is connected to digital pin number 5 and ion 2 is connected to digital pin number 6 of the Arduino. Okay, so the circuit connection is done. Let's upload the code to the Arduino and make it run. This is the Arduino code for our second test, and the function of this code is same as the previous one, where it gonna takes the input from the numpad through Python code, then to the Arduino, where we're gonna process the input as 1 or 0 to control a DC motor. So let's upload this code and run our project. So as you can see, we can easily control our DC motor using the numpad through Python and Arduino. Also, here you can see the signal being sent through the serial communication to the Arduino through Python to run the DC motor. The link for Arduino and the Python code is in the description. Now we have finally reached to our third test where we're gonna control a servo motor using our mouse movement using Python and Arduino. So in this third scenario, I am using a servo motor, okay, MG995 servo motor, okay. There are two MG995 servo motor attached to each other, okay. And we're gonna try to control it using our mouse x-axis movement and y-axis movement, okay. So the down servo motor will respond to the x-axis movement and the top servo motor will respond to the y-axis movement, okay. So let me tell you something about the wiring here. Both the servo motor positive and ground are connected to the 5-volt Arduino positive and ground, and the digital pin of the servo motors is for x-axis is pin number 9 and for the y-axis is pin number 10. So this is the whole circuit connection of this part, okay. So this is the Arduino code for our finals project for today's video, and in this Arduino code it also gonna take the input from the mouse to the Python code and you're gonna send it to the Arduino, and then the Arduino gonna control both of the servo motors according to the movement of the mouse. So as you can see, our third project is also working very precisely. We can easily control both of the servo motor using the y-axis and x-axis movement of the mouse using our Python and Arduino. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you got any query, any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and also guys, you can support me through my Patreon. The link is in the description. Go there and support me, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. And that's it for today. See you in the next one. Peace out.